Semua sharing? Zam ada?
Ya.
Zam tak ada aktiviti.
Okay, if not, time for Nina to share. Dah 10?
Because tadi tu serius sangat kan?
Okay, now pass the mic to Nina.
Thank you, Mike. Okay, today Mike wants me to share about my experience. Kisah benar when I joined MCO. I'm a MCO baby lah, Kirish always call me, kan? So since that we are facing the second MCO, which is so different from before. I know because of MCO, everybody like feeling down, again, cannot go and see client, cannot do anything, this and that, you know.
Duduk
Okay.
makan. Duduk makan aja. Tibit.
Jangan sampai gemuk.
Yeah.
What's the difference between first MCO now and MCO? What's the difference? For me, the first MCO was the most challenging part. You know why? Because the first MCO, remember 13th of April, kan? When that time between the 20th of April, when I joined on the 20th April 2020, who called me that time? Everybody start calling lah, start message you lah, start WhatsApp you lah, hey how are you? Yang tak pernah lama-lama pun ni, suddenly, sebab nothing to do. Imagine those days, the first MCO, we can't even go out from the house. We can't even walk around, walk outside. But I managed to go lah every morning, jalan-jalan, tengok like, ada polis ke tak ada polis? My neighbor kena, you know, my neighbor said, walking the dog, go inside, the police say like that. But lucky me, for the past 3 months tu tak kena lah. You know, nasib baik lah. Okay. When the first MCO, what happens was, this is what I share my experience. When Terry messaged me and asking me, and I say I'm not doing anything, of course lah, everything cannot do, kan? Unit trust pun tak boleh nak keluar, everything and all that. So when she explained to me about MediSaver, I was like, nantilah dulu, I'm not interested to do anything else, you know, because you know I focusing my unit trust for the past 22 years. Then bila I cakap nantilah, and then he say, oh okay lah, I give you the video. So I watched the video, Girish punya video. Then she sent me 2 videos. Thank you, Chef. I want to thank you, Terry, for introducing me to Girish. And then after a few days, she called me up. I cakap nantilah dulu, kan? So one day, like sitting down doing nothing, keep on eating, tidbits, minum kopi banyak. And then I listened to the
Dragon
video.
Ball.
Yeah. And then the first thing I heard about was no exam. Biar betul, you know. So that part I tell you, of course, first time I dengar, I cakap betul ke ni je kan, I diam je. I watched the video 3-4 times to understand. Because you see, human being, you dengar like that, you tak faham. But I listen because I'm a good listener kan. I dengar, okay. I dengar lagi, I repeat lagi that sentence, I dengar lagi. So I cakap, okay. And then Terry said, nanti anything, you message him lah. He said that. Okay, I just okay ni. For me to do, to make a decision, I'm a very fast decision maker lah. If I heard something, I want to know what's so different about it kan. So then I messaged him, I said, Girish, this is Nina. I said, I got your name, your number from Terry. If you're free, I would like to talk to you. After 5 minutes, he called me. Walau cakap ni laju ni kan. So when we asked that, when I asked about, I say I watch your videos, you know, I'm curious. I'm very curious about your punya non-exam. So he explained. Took us 2 hours to talk on the phone. I asked a lot of questions, you know, because I'm the type that when you say something, why? You know, how come it's like this? How come it's like that? Because I want to understand more. And then when I understand, then okay, never mind. I think about it. It took me about 2 weeks to join because that time I don't know whether it works or not, you know. So after that, when I decide, but masa tu kita pun nak tunggu gaji lah kita, you know that, you know. So I say, how much my premium? I ask Terry, how much your premium? Okay, because Terry said, she's still you. Okay, never mind, I will learn also lah, you know. Okay, then I ask, I say, the interesting part, because I ask a lot of questions in the sense that, what is your target? What is your quota? You know, how you do it, this and that, blah, blah, blah. What's so good about your medical card? So when he can explain to me, I say, okay, he's good. I ask question that, I say, because I grow group kan, so I mesti nak tahu apa benda. The main thing, whether it's suitable for me or not. The best part is when he said that income part, you know, everybody can cerita, oh, my product like this, like that, you know. And then it's like, okay. The one that catch my attention is, and he said, a long-term income, lifetime income. You see, that word actually you can use it for your future advisor tau. You know, then people can say like, oh, I'm selling this product, I make a lot of money, blah, blah, blah. But there's no lifetime income. You see? When I look at it, okay, what do you mean by this? And then he will explain to me. But when that time he explained to me, they saying, oh, you know, like multi-level, blah, 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 got this income, that got income. I diam ni lah. I see, why you mentioned about multi-level? In my heart, I saying that lah. Lama, that word is like, you know, not good word actually. But in reality, whatever business outside there, unit trust, insurance or whatever, they have this overriding, correct?
Yes.
So I cakap tak apalah, maybe that word I use it something else lah, some different word lah for my, you know, prospect or something like that. Then I sit down, I think fikir, I cakap, oh, cakap, I remember now one of my clients, she has been asking me about insurance, medical only, which let me tell you frankly, I hate insurance. You also know already from before, I hate insurance. I don't know why, but because of this, I until now I'm asking myself why I open up my mind for this. I open up my heart, not only my mind, you know.
Same like you.
Yeah.
But people ask me, the two insurance agent, tak nak.
Semua reject. Then when I ask, you ask Girish lah, I ask him so many questions. Kejap lagi call, kejap lagi message, kejap lagi call. When he gave me a straight answer, kan, for me simple. You give me a straight answer, I want to know, okay, fine. Then I will judge. I will think for myself. And then I cakap, okay, if my client like this, berapa, how you kira? Oh, I straight to the next level already. I say, wow, so fast you ask. I say, yeah lah, you want to do business, tak payah ting, and betul, mak kakak la. Is it good for me or not? First, I buy for myself lah. And I say, oh yeah, I also never have medical card before. And my age, at this age, I say, definitely I'm paying higher, you know. And I know, I never done insurance before, but I know it's going to be costly, right? So tengok, okay, plan dia, this and that, okay, fine. Then I say, then I sit down, who am I going to share with? Kan? So I remember my client tu lah, she's looking for it. Then I said, wait, I find out first can or not. I asked my client lah. I said, you bought ready or not? She said, not yet, I never buy until now. So I say, okay, fine. And then I asked Girish, okay, my client like this, she wants to buy for 3 of them. Then I say, okay, then how to calculate? Belum join now. That time belum join lagi.
Join saja 3.
So 3. Anak dia berapa macam-macam. Then I call my client. Because things that I don't know, I always tell my client, let me find out first, okay? Alright, okay, tanya. I say, okay, my client wants like this. She's a single mother. She's been my investor for the past 20 over years. So I know the history of her past and all that, right? And I know her budget. So I say, okay, give me a good budget for this person, this family. So calculate lah. I straight calculate. You know lah, kita unit trust lalu main duit mah. Kira. So when kira-kira cakap, oh okay. Then I will call my client. Okay, what's your budget? And then she said, I asked her, your budget 1,000, the whole family for 1 year. Ayo tinggi lah, dia cakap kan. Dia tanya lagi Girish, dia kata tinggi. Cannot afford. And then say, oh okay, because I gave her a good what do you call package, she becomes senior because the 2 children is already adult. So one become adult and she become senior, right? So she budget. So akak kali lah budget. Oh okay. Okay, wait ah. I told her, wait ah, nanti dulu ah. I bagi I jadi agent dulu ah. Baru you join.
Why never go home?
Okay. Wait ah. Because I also learning something, you know. Say that. When I came in, okay, how you go this, how you go, how you register, how you become the advisor. There must be a target. There must be a target in any companies. You know, even though we tell people, oh, up to you lah, no, but apa tak ada target lah, this and that, you know. Termination, yes, I understand. There's no termination, correct? Okay, but after that, cakap, okay, let me join first. I also tunggu my commission to pay lah, this lah, that lah, and all that, right? Okay, when I join that time, so yang tinggi juga, macam mana nak buat ni, MCO, tak boleh keluar. Dan Girish kata, there's a solution for it. You know? Can you all imagine, you cannot go out and see your client. Kan? How are you going to do the submission? That time online, but she cannot do online. Hers is what? You have to do manual. Betul tak? So cakap, alamak, ni semua problem. Kan kita dah biasa jumpa klien, thumbprint, everything and all that, right? So cakap macam mana nak buat ni? Oh, okay, there's a solution to do it. That is the time I know how to do PDF lah. Email tu biasalah. PDF, the borang lah. Okay, how do you think I meet Girish? No, I never met him.
Cuma call je lah.
Buat call saja. Tak pernah tengok muka pun, tengok muka like that. That time, you know, we don't have Zoom. We're not used to have Zoom like this. We can chit chat or something like that. Or call, WhatsApp call, this lah, that lah, this and that. I have to learn how to fill up form, which I never done in insurance before. I never had any experience before, right?
Orang yang tak suka ni orang. Form
kan?
to fill up form.
Yes, because I asked Terry banyak isi form. Tak ada lah.
I sendiri pun belajar isi form.
Benar buat. I was like, okay, then how? And then we come up with the idea. Okay, why not? Because you see my printer kan kita scan, the dokumen banyak, betul tak? Cakap macam mana nak buat ni? Oh, there's a solution lah. We use a cam scanner lah, this lah, download lah cam scanner, you know. And then my phone dulu ni old one, you know, not the now canggih-canggih one, right? Wow, like this and that. Took me 3 days, 3 nights to fill up the 3 forms.
Wah, satu orang satu form satu hari ya?
Bukan, salah. Girish, betul tak ambil gambar? Girish, betul tak ini? No, atas ni nama ni, bawah nama ni, and then this one. Oh, buang paper, buat lagi, you know? And then say, print out lagi kan? Oh, isi macam ni. Oh, salah pula kan? Sebab you never seen the form before. Nobody advise you or can show you, oh, this is the form you fill up. No. You see?
So Girish is very patient. Girish is very patient.
Yes, he's very patient. And then I'm the type that I want to know this, how? Then he showed me. Okay. Then I do that. Betul tak ni? I always double check. Because I'm the type of person always double check things, you know. Even I go out from the house pun, I tengok ada api on ke apa ke, you know. Check one. Habis tu salah. Alamak, mak di sini pula. Oh, like that pula. Lagi pening kepala. Send, scan, macam mana nak ni nak upload lah, this and that we all never use before mah. That is total lockdown punya style. And then buat, entah who to send to customer service. Entahlah, customer service, you know, this and that. They reply, okay, who the person in charge that time. I also don't know them. I never met them. I never been to the office, what? Kan? And then after that, check dengan klien. Okay, payment like this, okay, well, you want to pay dengan apa credit card or whatever. Tulis or the credit card berapa the amount. Okay tak? You comfortable with this amount or not? You know? And then they said, what's the coverage? Then I have to learn what coverage berapa, apa jadi, this and that, blah, 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 you know. Then she said, okay, fine, buat. Okay, after you submit all that, and then you have to follow up. Lama, macam mana ni? Kan? Tak tahu. And then masa I tengah tulis-tulis, sudah nak print everything. Ink habis. Printer ink habis. I said, what? Print buang. What? Alamak, how to find the ink? You see? Nak beli dekat Lazada will take me 1 or 2 weeks to arrive. I need to submit by tomorrow. How? Lari nak start pergi kedai Aeon, AU. All close mah. So the area yang nak pergi electric punya site, okay, only this way you can go. Okay, bye. Puas hati beli 2. Okay, puas hati buat semua. Okay, make sure everything okay. Because if this salah, then you have to do again, right? So I make sure everything okay. Irish, I have to check one by one. Banyak kan form. 3 orang man. You tell me. Kedai tak buka. Photostat tak buka. How are you going to do it? And then signature. Alamak, signature pula. How to do the signature? I asked my client, can you sign on the paper 3 orang anak and then you send to me? Then I have to like paste on the form. That time tak boleh, kena buat digital pula. Ayo digital pun sign lah digital.
Miss MacGyver mah.
Buatlah. So thing like that. Can. Okay, process. Then process. I tell you from that first customer, the 3 customers, right? I shared about the coverage. I shared about the good things about it. Then I say, okay, I think I want to help whoever I can help out there. Because I see them, you know, sometimes people say, oh, my coverage like this and this and this, you know, you know what you are carrying. One thing why I can do MediSaver because I know the product and what I'm carrying. So I can offer to somebody much better, correct? Then I say, okay, everything dah buat, siapa lagi nak pergi tolong? MCO mah 3 months lah. Then I go and call Zam lah. One of my downline, Zam. So I got 5 customers. Masa
Zam, background dia apa nak? Zam, background dia apa? Unit trust juga ke?
No, Zam a housewife.
Oh, okay.
Zam is full-time housewife. So when I started on the 20th of April, I came into the, masa tu ada training lah, online training lah, I think Facebook lah banyak and all that, you know. Masa tu I belum kenal Charles punya BOP yet, right? So cakap okay. But then I look at it, I look at the future of the business because Giri cakap is a lifetime commission, remember?
Yep.
Kan? So I look at it. Then they came on, because you got confused, the first timer always get confused. They say, oh, okay, within 60 days, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do that. Kan? So I look at it, okay lah. So bila I tengah go for the BOP or something like that, they keep on pressing everybody 60 days. Then I ask myself, why? Kenapa diorang ni every time say 60 days? You know why?
Shortcut for SMA lah.
Okay, for SMA, you need 60 days, right?
Yes.
If not, after that, you kena pergi 18 points, right? 12, First 12 points, then after that, 18 points, right?
Yes.
Correct. To touch another 6 points, which you think, 18 from 12 to 18, is not easy.
Now I'm saving.
I
Now
tell
I'm
you, it's
saving.
not easy.
The 18 cup. Club
It's
18.
not easy.
We got a lot of members lah, Club 18.
I told you guys, I've gone through already. So I said, oh, yo, lucky me. Then I'm, okay, my style, and I always look at this is where I want to teach everybody. It's my practice. What I do is, every day I open, mesti tengok date, calendar for this month. How many days left? Okay, because yesterday you cannot count already. You can't even go back to yesterday already. So how many days that you have between this month? So from before, that's how I calculate for my target every month. Kan, alamak, I got 2 weeks to go. Shit. Then your mind start working. Kalau you tak ada direction, your mind blur.
Yeah.
Your mind just don't know what to do. So every month I have to look at it. Oh, okay, I got 2 weeks to go. That's why happens to me when my 60 days. Kan? Because the first month tu, I can main-main only what. If I client okay already lah. And then they kata, when? Then I check again. When is my 60 days? From the day I join or, from the next day I join? He said from the day you join. Walau weh, dah tinggal berapa lagi weh. Kan? So, okay. Who to target? Who to help? Who can I share this with? This good thing. And then I start calling, I start messaging lah, this lah, that. I message saja everybody. Message my client. Kalau my client cakap, Kak, menarik lah. Kalau menarik, okay, you ada ke kad? Of course, most of people got kad.
When you share, what kind of message you send out?
Okay, normally I tanya, like my existing client lah, I will ask, you guys ada medical card tak? Ada? So you don't send it like official sangat because between people that you know. Of course, you work with the people that you around you first,
Very close
right?
one lah.
So you can ask, you all ada tak medical card? Ada? Dia cakap, yang mana? Oh, they said takaful. Oh, they said AIA. Berapa you bayar? A message, berapa you bayar? 250 lah kak. Apa coverage you? Dia kan, tahu tak? Entahlah, boleh check tak? Kenapa kak? Tak adalah, I nak offer you something better. And they say, oh, this much. Okay. Now, I have my medical card, 1.1 million, coverage, macam ni. A bit only yang entah. Not all. Do not send all. In any sales that you learn, you can only tell the client 10% of your knowledge first. Because you are not telling everything. Everything they know already. Kan? So they thought, oh kak, okay kak, menarik. Nanti lepas MCO I see you dia ada. Okay, I have this answer. Okay, they say. Then you go next. Pada my timeline is already jalan,
Wait to go MCO, habis MCO.
Then Giri say, make sure you always have extra. Because 12, ada rejection maybe. Yes, it happens. One of my client, full payment. Rejected because his hypertension punya report tak completed. So, but I work it until my point was 13 plus. 13 plus. So, kalau satu point hilang, at least you have 12 plus mah.
Yep.
Kan? So I said, oh, okay, I have to chase it. My time limit macam ni. So you work harder lah. You work harder who to help. Because why I like MediSaver, I can help a lot of people, especially my friend Zam. She spent so much on paying every month. Now she's paying less and she's happy. She got higher coverage. Because like sometimes people say, oh, I got AIA lah, I got Prudential. Now I say, I don't care. I don't care what you have. I want to know what you are covered. And then you do comparison. So when you meet the target like that, every time when you see your time, your date already, then you know how long to go. Then you start working on the date. Kan? Then baru you tahu, okay, how you want to target it. So I target 2 days before my closing. Oh, macam nak gila. Cari family members, belilah, this lah, that lah. As long as I meet my 12 points in 60 days. If not, if I miss that, I have to work another 6 points out. If I miss that, and then whatever yang last first month punya,
Habis,
calculate mah.
Calculate again.
Can you imagine April I got a lot?
Yeah. That's the advantage point.
Yes. Another thing is because I see a lot of leaders keep on saying that it's not easy. So I say, why? There must be a big question there, why they keep on saying that. Then you face it, then you know. But it's still not too late for you guys to go because you already have certain times, right? Push for it. Then another thing is the best another way to do it consistently every month. Like what I did before, I consistent every month ada. If I miss this month, because after I become SMA, you have to wait 2 months, you know, to get promotion, 2 months. That time I boleh I dah confirm already, then I start helping others. Helping others, let them grow. So from there, you know, because you cannot earn everything, you cannot win everything, you must have everything you learn, tak boleh, you know, because in MediSaver, you have to work in a team. You must have people around you. You must have a group, because it's a lifetime commission, right? Why we say lifetime commission? Because of group. You work alone, might as well you go, you know, you just continue your unit trust lah. You make more money, right? So when I see anyone, I give them opportunity. Kan, dia nak buat ke, dia tak pandai ke apa benda ke, we help. That's why we come up with the tagline. We learn, we work, and we grow together. That is the tagline we come out, kan? So that's why I help everybody. Some people can see, some people cannot see the future. I can see, for me lah, I feel like, oh, I sit down, I think. Duduk diam-diam, fikir. You have to, because you have to train your brain, kan? To think of what next. Nobody knows about COVID. Nobody knows that COVID is coming, right? Nobody knows suddenly 1 year plus and we are still like this stuck. Betul tak? But at the same time, I like the product. You must like the product, baru you boleh jual. Baru you can share with some other people, even as strangers. Most of them are strangers to me. Who join me is all my strangers, except my 1 or 2 of my family members. So I like the product, then I keep on learning, then my promise to myself is to help others, you know, then achieve, then you can relax. So even I jumpa anybody pun, I share them the business they want, they don't want, that's up to them. So target you must have, and then you must know how much income. Those days my income is only first month, alah RM100, alah RM80, kecilnya, kan? But now my group dah grow, everybody, because everybody, I want them to become a leader. You know, become a leader. So that none of it, I'm not a leader, just I'm a leader, the rest not a leader. So for me, everybody sama.
Yeah, betul.
You know, everybody sama. So now my income dah become 400, lepas tu dah become 800, ada yang 900 or 1000 plus already. My client, I build my first client first. Because first client tu is important.
Nina, Shima bawa you ke ataupun bawa Girish?
Bawaan.
Shima.
Bawaan.
Shima.
Yes.
Bawa you
Yep.
Direct you. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Even I jumpa the millionaire also, I give him the business business opportunity, right? I give him I ceritakan dia suka, dia nak join. Itu millionaire, just like Charles lah. Charles kan klien dia ada millionaire, what?
So how you share to him? Because normally like you say, Dato, millionaire, they got plenty of money. Why interested to do this business? So what comes in your mind tiba-tiba nak share dengan ni? If besides just medical card, then you close case already.
His case is funny. I jumpa dia kata, oh, I nak beli medical card. I tanya dia berapa orang, you know that. Dia kata, okay, how much is this? I calculate, dia tulis. I tengok, berapa orang ni? 7 orang. Walaway.
Itulah.
I cakap, sure dia nak kena bayar banyak. Sure premium nak kena bayar banyak, betul tak?
Oh, adults
All adults, you know. Ayo, lepas tu I calculate lah for him. I calculate. I tak ada plan nak suruh dia jadi advisor. Banyak juga dia cakap. Asyik. Datuk, that time I don't know him, Datuk. Somebody told me that he's Datuk. I cakap macam ni lah. Since I know you punya premium terlampau heavy lah for you to pay, kan. Dia cakap, I give you one option nak tak? Apa tu? Dia cakap, okay, in MediSaver, you can do it a business, family business. Okay, so cakap, why not 1% masuk, then you come in as an advisor, the rest of your family, you ambil. Dia like, Like that lah. Ya, ajak kan.
Each of them 300, no.
Kan.
Save a
So
lot.
cakap, so I say, okay, cuma I tanya Datuk, you ada apa-apa penyakit? Dia kata dia diabetik. Alamak, diabetik tak boleh beli. Sorry lah, je kan. Okay lah, taruh main son. Then dia kata, ni nak exam ke? Tak payah exam. Dia kata kan. Okay, the idea of the MediSaver aja kan, you buy yourself and then you become advisor. The rest of your family bawah you dapat commission. At least boleh cover balik lah you punya premium that you paying for your family. Oh, I like the idea. Okay, mana nak sign? Mana nak sign? I cakap okay, tapi anak you kena sign dulu. Anak you kena beli medical card dulu baru you masuk submit together. Okay, boleh, next year datang. I take all my family. So I bawa lah. But the thing is that I feel like I'm happy lah helping him. He achieved for the 888, no?
Good.
He achieved 888. So even though dia tak banyak jumpa orang ke apa benda, lately I tak boleh jumpa because the second MCO lah, cannot go mah. Kan? Kita orang rendah je pergi Bukit Beruntung and jumpa dia apa benda. So the same thing, like I jumpa Zam, I jumpa Anne, you know, my friend, I jumpa Thomas. I cakap the concept of the idea of what MediSaver is quite good. You know? So far the best lah I've seen. Kan? So lepas tu tanya Thomas, semua cakap, kita boleh lah buat macam ni. Okay, unit trust kita pun tak boleh bagi kita lifetime income. You know? Betul tak Thomas? Because when client retired, they will take out their money. For sure, 100%.
Yes.
They retired, they will take out the money, they want to feel it. You cannot say you cannot. Oh, invest here. I will take the money, kan? Okay, you take the money, you rasa lah 55 tahun, you nak take out all your money. Then what you want to do next? What you want to do next? You want to enjoy the whole money ke, you tidur atas duit you ke, suka hati lah. Kan? Tapi you must have a proper saving. Then they start coming in. So when you do that, you're helping other people, right? In MediSaver, so I help them also. So most of them, I always buka cerita, cakap, do you want to do the business? You cover your whole family. Your family you jaga. Kita jaga kita mah.
Yeah,
Kan? Dia jaga dia punya family. At the same time also, they helping them. So macam they won't say MediSaver you can have it free. Macam Charles always say kan, have it free and all that. It's true. You tanya Zam, you tanya Thomas, now all covered by our own. So in the group, sometimes you see lah, sometimes some people work out, some people do not work out. Kan? Tapi since I joined until now, I tak pernah miss the product knowledge. Because there's always new things to come in, new things come, this and that, you know, you learn things and all that. Because for me, walaupun I still, at this age, I still learning new things. It's good for us, good for our knowledge also. But target mesti ada lah, kan? You cannot duduk diam because whatever business you do, so tak kisahlah apa business you do, you still need a customer. Correct? You still need to to see a customer.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm leaving, Nina.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
So that's how I started lah. Tu je kan, MCO now is okay daripada MCO dulu. Lagi challenging.
Yeah.
Lagi challenging. You nak pergi kedai pun susah nak keluar tau.
Yeah,
Satu orang je. Satu orang kerja keluar je.
Then you have to queue. Dekat sini dia punya Giant dia punya line macam ular ni tengok. Panjang.
Panjang lagi.
It's quite challenging for me for the first time. So that's why when fill up form, I'm very pro. 3 hari 3 malam the same form isi. Salah.
Training for you.
Yes. So my friends here, you know, it's nothing can stop you unless you really want to do it. You really focus. You know, there's always objection out there. Umi senang je kalau objection, tak nak lah, I have this, I have that lah, you know. Okay, bye, go next lah. You know. Here I want to help them. They don't want, that's up to them. You know, I have customer yang, Nina tolonglah, I nak beli juga, ada beli, ada lagi tak boleh, you decline case pun ada.
Ada.
Ada. You know, here we doing something good for them now. You know, how you explain to them, make it simple. When you see anybody, you make it simple. You want to be covered like this, it's cheap. I selalu cakap dengan customer kalau I jumpa, I myself a customer before. Now I become advisor because I want to help people. Then they say, oh, you customer dulu? Yes. You think what, customer want to help another customer? No lah, dia kan. Then you become advisor like me lah. That's why now my group is 72. I baru 9 months plus. So I open up the what do you call the idea. I have another friend of mine. She cannot buy. I don't talk about the product because he cannot buy anymore. But I talk about the idea of the business. Until now he wants to see because of the MCO tak boleh pergi, tak boleh jumpa. He said I like the idea. The idea is fantastic actually.
Ya, betul.
Fantastic. If really you look at it, you know, you can grow. Either you want to grow fast or slow, that's up to you. For me, the opportunity is there, and then you make it fast lah. Can? Because MediSaver will always be there. It's either you all, you personally want to do it or you want to grow here. If not, you just grow like normal, biasa sajalah. Whatever you do, sama sajalah. That's the difference. So, I also plan, takkanlah umur 60-70 I nak pergi buat sale lagi mah. Kan? So my target is like, that's why I plan dengan Girish. Once we build already, semua naik RMA, everybody dah pandai, you know, and then we help the people down there. That is our intention lah. So, planning, what to do monthly, ada sale ke, tak ada sale ke, try saja. You never know. Activities is very important. No activities, even I sit down at home, so kan I still message people. You get feedback, you know, to see them or not to see them. That's all. Very simple. How much your target? You actually everything target for yourself because this is your own business, what? Right? MediSaver tak cakap, oh you nak berapa income. No, it's not. Even unit trust also, they will never say, oh you how much income you want. No, kita kena plan ourselves how much income that we want every month.
Oh yeah.
Kan? It's all your own business. So ada orang nak buat slow ke, laju ke, terpulang lah. Tapi for me, I advise you, I advise everybody in this group, do it fast. Because after that, the long term you can relax. I also do other business, not only MediSaver, other business also I do. But my time, I know what I plan. So today apa I nak pergi? Okay, mana nak I nak pergi? I said, I bukan ada tablet I nak fill up. No, I still using old style lah. Fill up, tulis. That's why I say, pen and paper is important because when you write, you remember.
Ya, betul.
When you write, you remember, oh, I supposed to do this. But my brain works every time kan. I remember nak gimana, oh, today I got appointment, next week I got appointment. I will call. I will ask the person. When the person itu, oh, cannot listen. Never give up. But to know the person interested or not, give them 3 times. In my previous experience, 3 times. Kalau 3 times dia orang tak jawab, then leave them for a while. Because sometimes people get annoyed because you push too much. Kan push pun juga, then give them relax a little bit, then you refer balik. And then nowadays, okay, I give you some tips everyone. Kalau macam kita ada Ismail, kita ada Imoto, kan? I start WhatsApp to them, hantar. Dia diam. Then nanti you tengok ada orang balas. Oh, you buat Imoto juga ke? Ya. Okay. Kereta ada. The one client dia tanya, oh Nina kereta untuk company boleh tak? Cakap tak boleh. Dia kan? Untuk personal. Okay, good to know. Now I know who to look for.
Right? Using Ehsan? Company register can now. That day I heard the presentation.
Under company registration? Boleh lah.
Tadi tu I heard the presentation on e-motor pakai Esan.
Oh, pakai Esan eh? Good idea. Then we sharing something lah. Then I boleh message dia balik.
Yeah.
Kan okay lah, good lah. Then I'm tak Ismail. Now because the new thing kan kita buat the status and all that. People start looking. I will check who looking at my status. But in sales lah, in anything, it's still human touch they want.
Yeah, betul.
Kan? You cannot just sell. You must understand what they want, what they require, you know. You concerned about them or not, you know, you care about them or not. So that's why my client can stick with me 22 years. Very simple je. I buat presentation very simple je. They want to know what they cover, what this, what that, okay. You know, tak payah confuse the customer. But you don't know, let me double check, like that lah. So that is my experience, MCO. Now MCO senang, you still can go out.
Boleh keluar.
Dulu tak boleh. I also don't know how I did it. 5 sale lah. Wah. Lepas tu I relax for a while, you know. Relax, okay lah. Suddenly 60 days lah. 60 days. Bila jom, you know. Buka lah. Tengok, 20 lah. Kira. Alamak. That time push. That time I push myself.
So in actual day, you work 1 month only lah, not 60 days.
Actually lah. Cuma I delay the submission ke this and that, right? Actually 1 month lah. Because I drag the business kan. So, tapi I made it lah 2 days. When Giri say 60 days lah. 58 days lah. Selalu cakap 58 days lah. Done it lah. By right lah, really counting. Double kira, call lagi. Betul tak? Double kira. Because when you miss it, I tell you, you cannot go back. Yesterday I do like that. How? If the company say, oh no, cannot calculate, how? You tak nangis ke? Nangis. Kan? I make it there, sure. You tanya and punya last minute. And punya midnight. Sometimes midnight you buatkan online. Alah babe. Alah, apa tu?
Very true.
System slow lah, system this lah.
It was the last minute thing.
You tanya last minute.
Really an experience.
Don't wait till the last minute. Anything can happen.
It's something like I told Nina that I think masa when we did the last one, because I put 60 days kan lah. I said 60 days, yeah. And then, you know, I told her, I remember I told her, my God, it's something like, you know, like Malay lah, you know, we all Malays like, tomorrow nak raya, malam ni you nak pasang curtain lah, you want to put cookies in the, you know, that kind of thing tau. You have that pressure tau. But anyway, it was fun, to be frank.
Yep.
When you have the pressure, you nak, you don't care who, you know, you just like in your mind, think of somebody else, you know.
There's no fear. Jalan aja.
No fear. Try je. You know, especially when you punya that time and punya shot 0.25.
Yeah, that time. Oh my God.
How much pressure that we all facing tau. I dengar dia, Pip nanti tunggu buat online. Boleh
Anything goes. Oh my God.
I mean, and pun I tak jumpa tau. Like that only.
Yeah. Anything, semua online.
Semua online.
And next sharing how to be your road. I nak dengar semua satu-satu, then followed by Zam. How I become a SMA.